All right, here we go. Good luck. Dan Caniglia, I'm gonna do two boxes of 2022 Leaf Exotic Multi-Sport boxes. Good luck, senor. Buena suerte. Here we go. Butter. Like butter. I have to restart everything. Ready? Here we go. Yeah, Tiger Stripe. Pitcher. Nolan Ryan. Nolan Ryan. Tiger Stripes. Seven of 10. Choo choo. And the second box. Butter. Good. Another Tiger Stripe. Nice. Gareth. Oh, no, this is, what is this? Butterfly? Gareth Bale. That looks like butterfly. Numbered 1 of 4 on Gareth Bale. Yes, that's 2 cards. Thank you, Daniel. Appreciate it. Butterfly, Tiger Stripes. Thanks, sir. What's up, Chad? How you doing, sir?